Hi friends. In this video, I will share my hotel review and room tour of Club Mahindra Mac Boutique in Bangkok. Club Mahindra Mac Boutique is located on Soi 7, which is right next to the BTS Nana Station. The actual distance from BTS Nana to the hotel is 350 meters, and it will take 5 minutes to walk from the station to the hotel building. Location-wise, it is a great property. I stayed here in February 2026 and had booked a smart studio room from Agoda at a cost of approximately 1130 baht without breakfast. This was the high season pricing. Between April and November, the hotel will cost less than that. Availability of rooms here is not consistent. My understanding is that Club Mahindra members get priority, and the rooms that are not booked by members are made available to others. The type of room one usually gets to book is called a smart studio. When you arrive at the hotel, you may get either a studio or a bigger suite, depending on availability. The room tour you will see here is of a one-bedroom suite. This was what I got for 1130 baht. The unit had a bedroom and a separate living room. Both the bedroom and the living rooms had their own TVs and air conditioners. There was even a small dining table. The bedroom had a comfortable bed, a phone, power sockets, a window, and of course, a TV and an air conditioner. The view from the window was of another building, but at least it could bring in some daylight. The living room also had a window next to the sofa, but it was the same view as from the bedroom. They had provided a mini fridge, a personal locker, a cupboard, and an electric kettle. Water bottles and tea coffee supplies were given every day. The bathroom was clean, with a separate shower. Hot water was available in the shower at any time. The space and the amenities were good for the price I had paid. Down in the lobby, there was a restaurant where they served breakfast for 319 baht. It would be cheaper to book breakfast along with the room at the time of booking. Check-in time was after 2 p.m. and check-out time was before 12 p.m. and they allowed late check-out up to 30 minutes, subject to availability. Staff were available 24 hours. Overall, the hotel offers great value with its excellent location and comfortable rooms. If it is available at a price around 1000 or 1100 baht, one can choose it without hesitation. With that, I have covered the essential details. For any other information or to share your experience, please write a comment below. I will be happy to respond. And consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for similar travel videos in the future. Thank you for watching.